यहाँ आपको बताएं कि इस्लामाबाद में शहरी रहमान खिताब कर आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं।
Bears repetition. The will of the people cannot be forgotten. And it is our job and our responsibility to remind people that when India calls, the will of the people cannot be forgotten. And it is our job and our responsibility to remind people that when India calls, whatever it has done by fiat and state force and coercion, what it calls a resolution, in fact, is annexation, attempted annexation by stealth. That is exactly what it is. If other countries do it, there is a furor. There is conflict, and there is conflict even now, make no mistake. But this is an... I keep on saying attempted because I do not accept this reality. And nor must you, nor must Pakistan. So, where do we stand today? New Delhi has issued more than 4.2 million domicile certificates to non-Kashmiris, a deliberate and calculated effort to re-engineer the demographic character of this Muslim majority land. It's being done very fast, very speedily. Laws have been changed, constitutional articles changed, and we have 35A, and we have a re-engineering, a demographic re-engineering, so that one fine day, very soon, the people who lived on that land, who fought for that land, who bled for that land, who called it their identity and their mother, can no longer be the majority over there. And so this is the plan, to ethnically cleanse Kashmir, especially of the Muslims. Yet despite the binding UN Security Council resolutions, despite decades of international commitments, and despite an overwhelming human rights record, terrible human rights record, the people of Kashmir continue to wait. They have not accepted the annexation. This should not be a news flash. Whenever we get any communications from there, they look to us to tell their story and to remind the world that no, they have not accepted the annexation. Behind the bullets and the barricades and the barbed wire, they are still living in hope that their futures will change. And they continue to suffer. Again, the story is completely made suppressed. It is blanked out. And they also ask the world, who is standing with us? This is an important question. And today is a very signal opportunity to remind them that we are fully standing with them and Kashmir.
यहाँ आपको बताएं कि इस्लामाबाद में सेनेटर शहरी रहमान का सेमिनार से खिताब जारी था। उनका कहना था कि मकबूजा कश्मीर में इंसानी हुकूक और बुनियादी आज़ादियों की बहाली नागुज़ीर है। शहरी रहमान ने मज़ीद भी कहा कि मकबूजा कश्मीर में इंसानी हुकूक और बुनियादी इख्तिलाफ़ात जारी हैं, जबकि ख़ित्ते में पायदार अमन मसला कश्मीर के मुनसिफ़ाना हल से ही मुमकिन होगा।